Here's how we can set birthday alerts on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works, but if you are first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tips and videos like this one. So there are more ways how you can do this. You can use the Reminders app if you want it. You can open up the app, it's going to be built in on your iPhone, and in there you can even come up with your own list of reminders and name it birthdays. And in there, you can always tap the plus button, type in the name of the person and their birthday, right? Click on the more information and set up a specific date and a time when you want to be reminded about it. And the best thing about it is that you can also set up the repeating and choose it to be yearly, which is likely, it makes most sense for a birthday. So you can repeat it every single year. And then, at that particular date and a time, you will be reminded that that person's birthday is today. So that's how you can set it up. Of course, more things can be added, like the images, location, and other things as well. But the important part is that this is not the only way how you're going to do this. If you have a lot of birthdays to remember and to be reminded about, it's much better to have it integrated into the apps of the iPhone. The best way to start would be to get inside of your contacts application, and the people you have stored in here, not only can you add their number and home address into the contacts, but you can also tap on edit and add their birthday right here. And what it means is that this will automatically appear in your iPhone calendar app, and it will be very nicely put all together. As long as you go to the calendar app and have the birthdays selected, because you can uncheck it and hide all of them, but as long as you have it visible in here, you'll see every single contact's birthday here on your calendar. And if you have a notification set up for your calendar, then you're also going to be reminded about it. So this is the way how most people use it, I believe. So let me know which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.